Hello guys, how are you? I came here this place. I want to show you. This is so beautiful place. London, Canary. Because of Christmas now, this area they decorate so beautiful. In 1988, they built one of the tallest building in England here, right here, and just literally next to the building. But 2010, there was another one. People will know who is in England, Shard. Shard is the tallest building in UK now. But this is so beautiful. This is Switch Bank. In Canary Wharf, there is a lots of beautiful place, but this is so nice. If you live in England, you should come have a look, visit this area, especially come night time, because now Christmas they decorate whole Canary Wharf so beautiful. You can bring your family, kids, they will enjoy it. There is a lots of playing area. This is Switch Bank, and look at that. There is another bank here, and look at the Christmas tree. So amazing. You will enjoy it. Lots of people coming just have a seat and chilling. This place normally is so busy because of lockdown now quite. Normally nearly 120,000 people coming walking every day. Very busy place in London. And this is highly secure area because of the lots of bank head office here. Look at that. This is HSBC. Right beside it. That was the tallest building they built in 1988. And this is Citibank. You could see that, guys, how amazing. Till 2010, that was the tallest building in England. And look at that. So beautiful. They built so nicely this area. Lots of children also playing here because today's Sunday. Lots of family came in here and look at the decoration. So beautiful. Right here. If you never came here, guys, you should come over here, especially before Christmas night time. London, Canary Wharf, literally next to HSBC, Citibank, Barclays, all those banks, and there's the waterfall here. You should bring your family, children if you are over here. You see lots of people playing, lots of tourists here. Stay with me, guys. I'll show you a little bit night time. Look at that. That's why I can. Especially you could enjoy it. Canary Wharf, I'm telling you guys, all over Canary Wharf, they did beautiful lighting because of the Christmas. They do celebrate, and look at that, how amazing. We don't know what you can see. You should come over here, guys, especially night time. I'll keep walking a little bit more and I'll show you there is a more lighting over there. You have to be very careful also when crossing the road. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm telling you. especially most of the bus coming in Canary Wharf, because this place is so busy and transportation is really good. Doesn't matter wherever you live, you can come by train, Jubilee, DLR, buses. It's all over Canary Wharf. They decorate because of the Christmas. Right beside that, they were building lots of new buildings also. Look at that. So tall building here. And you can see that. I came in here because lots of people probably not living in London or not even England. So at least you could see night time how amazing and beautiful. Lots of tourists also coming, but now lockdown, that's why they don't come. Normally, if they come in England, most of the people visit London. They do come to Canary Wharf. Doesn't matter if you are doing business or you are a tourist or you just coming for anything. You should visit Canary Wharf. One of the nicest places. Every tree there do have a beautiful decoration. Look at that. And this is already starting from November. Look at that. Doesn't matter small tree, big tree. Guys, you will enjoy it. Just have a look. How beautiful, amazing. I'm crossing. There is a more decoration right here. I'm telling you guys. Lots of people coming here taking picture. If you're not even from Canary Wharf, you could come over here, guys. There is a more decoration lighting. They put new here. Wow, they're still working. This is. And obviously in Canary Wharf, lots of different signage now, social distance because of the COVID. But this place normally very, very busy. They're doing lots of decoration. Those people are working so hard to make this place nicer. I was talking about, even if you not live in London, let's say outside London, half an hour, 20 minutes, you should come, guys, with your family, and you'll love it. And especially children will like it. Look at that. It is so beautiful. I'll show a bit of everything, guys. If you just stay with me, I'll show you more. I'm walking toward Thames River. People, everyone knows about the Thames River. Because of the I'm crossing the road, I have to be so quick. What's coming? This place is so nice also. Is one of them, 4-star hotel here. So quiet now because of the COVID. Lots of bike here. Even you're not driving, you want to enjoy London city. I'm right here. You could see the Thames River from here. so quiet now, guys. But normally this place is very, very, very busy.
I mean, I totally understand because every now and then it's like we feel.
I hope, guys, you have a good time. Just talking about, guys, if you live in outside London, even you should, guys, come over here. I'm definitely sure that you'll have a good time. And this area by the Thames River, lots of people just coming, walking. Cycling, and look at the Thames River night time. Wow. So beautiful, amazing, but very, very quiet now. Next time I'll show you lots of beautiful place in London. Another new building is they're just building up the whole pile of building in here, man. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all new buildings. They didn't even finish yet. Look at that. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Look at that. 100 stories building, 70, 80, 90, and right beside here, how amazing. Look at that Christmas decoration. So beautiful. Obviously this is the 4-star hotel. Look at that, how amazing. And this is Thames River. Proper city, London. You're amazed, and I'm so lucky. Thank you, Allah, because we live in here. One of the busiest, nicest place in the world. I came in because I just want to show people, not only UK, outside the UK, at least they could enjoy how beautiful city in London, especially night time. I hope you guys enjoy it.